Hello everybody, my name is Anamika Singh and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I have come up with a very special recruitment for you all, especially for those who are aspiring to become assistant professor in, you can say, government colleges. Yes, so today's notification, today's recruitment is from the University of Delhi, specifically the Deshbandhu College. Okay, so this college is actually, located in Kalkaji, New Delhi, and they have invited applications for assistant professor in different you can say subjects, and the entry pay which they're offering is 57,700 rupees as per 7th CPC pay matrix. And of course there are going to be more additional allowances, HRA and everything, so obviously the in hand is going to be more. Okay, so yes, this is a very golden opportunity for those who are actually wanting and they've been looking to become an assistant professor in some government organization. So yes, if you're interested to knowing the same, keep watching the video till the end. So this is their official website, Deshbandhu College, and here in the latest news section you will find this teaching vacancies 2022 applications. If you click onto it, this PDF, the advertisement PDF will open, and here you can see this advertisement was released on 22nd March 2022, means it was released yesterday, and you have 2 weeks to apply for this position. As you can see, it's somewhere written here. Yes, you have to apply it within 2 weeks, okay, from the date of publication of advertisement. Then this is the website, colrec.du.ac.in. Here you will find the application application form through which you can apply. And one more thing, the entry pay which I was mentioning earlier, the entry pay is going to be 57,700 as per 7th CPC pay matrix. And in addition to this, you're going to get allowances. So obviously it is going to be somewhere around 70,000 or maybe more than that, it depends. Yeah, then here you can see the list of departments in which they are hiring assistant professors. Yes, so here you can also see the number of vacancies. Okay, so these are the different departments which they're hiring for, so you can just look onto your relevant department. Now here you must be seeing these categories like ST, OBC, EWS or PWBD. They have 0 positions. Okay, so this does not mean that these people cannot apply. You can apply, but you will have to apply in the unreserved category, or you will have to apply in SC. Okay, so yes, just make sure that. Okay, yes, now let's move ahead. And here what do we see? We see qualifications. Okay, qualifications of assistant professor. So yeah, here's you should have a master's degree as well as you should have cleared net. Now this net could either be UGC net or CSIR net. Okay, so you should have both of these, or like if you do not have these and if you have a PhD, so that will also be fine. Okay, so if you have to make sure about this. Now let's move ahead. Yes, there are a lot of you can say details mentioned over here. Now yes, some of the candidates can be exempted from the net score. Okay, like some of the candidates, if they do not have a net score, they haven't cleared net, either UGC net or CSIR net, they could also apply, but these are the conditions. Okay, these are the conditions that the candidate should have registered for MPhil PhD program prior to July 11, 2009. Okay, and these are also going to be the conditions, following conditions like A, B, C, D, E. You have to go through that, and if you fulfill any of these criteria, you can also apply even if you do not have a net score, or if you haven't cleared the net. Okay, so yes, this is all about the qualifications, eligibility. You can just go through that. Now here the criteria for shortlisting of candidates for interview for the post of assistant professor is given. Okay, so yes, you can see here the scores and everything. Okay, so yeah, So here the detail of the shortlisting of candidates, criteria and process, all of this is mentioned over here. Yes, so you can go through it very clearly. Then general instructions are mentioned. Yes, all of this you can go through. I'll put the link in the description box. Then you can refer on to these frequently asked questions, like can a person apply for more than one faculty position? Yes, they can apply, but there should be separate forms for each position, and stating which department you're applying for. Then yes, then the next would be, what is the application fee? So application fee is 500 for all the categories, not all the categories, UR, OBC, EWS, and for ST, SC, ST, PWBD and women applicants, there is no application fee. Okay, so yes, these are the frequently asked questions which you can go through. Yes. Yes, so here it's talking about the relaxation and everything. Then, is net compulsory or is there any provision for net exemption? So yes, net is compulsory, but there is also provision for exemption, which I already told you all. Okay, like you should have an MPhil or PhD program registered prior to July 11, 2009. And these are also going to be the conditions. You should be fulfilling all of these, then only you could be exempted from the net score. Yes, so you can go through all of that. Okay, an entire detailed application is mentioned over here. So yeah, you can just go through all of that. I'll put the link in the description box and just go and apply for it. Okay, and don't keep it for last minutes.
So that was all about today's video, and I will put the link of this entire notification in the description box, so you can just go check it out and read the entire notification PDF in detail. Okay, and one more thing, like the last date of application is going to be 2 weeks from the date of release of this notification. So date of release was 22nd March. So you have just 2 weeks to apply for this position. So just hurry up and don't leave it pending, or don't delay it, postpone it for later last days. So yeah, that was all about today's video. I hope you enjoyed the information which I just shared. If you really like the video, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon so you never miss an update. Also, you can comment down below and tell me your suggestions, your feedbacks, and what else you'd like to see on my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.